In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix calls not ringing on Android. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. There's a few different methods. So the first thing we want to do is swipe down in the top right of our screen, and that's going to show our little control panel. And we want to go ahead and make sure our volume is actually on and we're not just on vibrate or we're not just on silent mode as well, because you actually want them to be ringing. So you want to be on this icon right here that you see, and then make sure your volume slider is also up as well, because that's really important. Next thing you want to do is you might even have that on, but you might be in do not disturb mode. So swipe down and you should see a do not disturb icon with all the rest of your icons. And if this is enabled, all you want to do is, like, let's say it's on right now. If I go back to it, it's going to be on with the blue icon. All I want to do is turn it off, because when you're on do not disturb, you're not going to get any notifications, no ringing, no alerts or anything like that. So make sure you turn that off and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials on the channel as well.